Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. ElevenLabs just got updated and it's really something that you need to see. So join me and let's check them out. So ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight in. There is a lot to actually get through here. So if you used ElevenLabs in the beginning, when it was just ElevenLabs, you could start typing or paste text into this space over here. You could choose a voice. You could also choose which model. You could change the variation of the voice in terms of the speed, stability, similarity, style, exaggeration. You could even override language, and you could choose like a bunch of stuff over here, and so you could generate a voice or speech from text. But now, if you jump in here, you can actually clone your own voice, which is a feature that was brought out quite long ago, but it is quite advanced now. Also, there's a voice changer, which is great. You can upload audio file of yours, and you'll see down over here, you'll be able to change that the vocals into whatever voice you choose. Now, jumping again into still audio, we have sound effects. Here in sound effects, you can actually create sound effects. So here, you're literally going to just describe a sound effect. So for example, the sound of high heels walking down a school passage or a school hall, right? And now you can change the duration. So I'm just going to make it like 3 seconds. And you can also change the loop effect. And over here, if you click on this, the prompt influence, you can change that over there. Once you're done, you're literally just going to submit that, and you'll see that it will generate a sound effect. Now, of course, you can use another AI tool to generate these prompts for you if you'd like to generate prompts for sound effects. So you can have it a little bit more detailed. All right, here we go. Let's see what that sounds like. I mean, that's 4 variations and they all sound pretty amazing, and you can download them. You also have a voice isolator. So with the voice isolator, you can actually drop your audio or video files in over here, and then you can isolate the voice out of any particular situation. So let's say you have 2 people speaking, or you have background noise, or you'd like to just pull out vocals from a music track. You can actually just go ahead and use any one of these presets over here. Now, this is all vocal, and ElevenLabs kind of did this initially, but now within ElevenLabs, you can actually generate images as well as video. So now, if you want to generate images, you can use the power of Google's Nano Banana, as well as Google Nano Bananas Pro. And then if you're generating video, you've got Flux, you've got Seedream, you've got OpenAI GPT Image 1, we've got Flux 1, we've got 1, 2.5. Wow, there's so many things that you can do now within ElevenLabs, which originally started as a platform where you could just generate text to speech. Now it's like an all-in-one platform where you can pretty much do everything. You also have some templates that you can create and reuse if you want to create nice workflows and not have to do repetitive tasks over and over. And also, what's nice is there are a bunch of templates that you can use and make your own, as you can see here. So all you have to do is click on any one of these, and you could perhaps use these templates and then just edit them, recreate them as your own, and reuse them on your own. You also have Studio over here. So here you can create audiobooks, podcasts, URL to audio, AI script generators. You can create new video voiceovers. You can add sound effects and music. You can add captions. You can remove background noise, and you can also fix voiceover mistakes. You know, people like me, we in between. That's all edited out manually, but ElevenLabs can actually do that automatically. Coming down over here, you can create music, and let me tell you something. I will vouch for ElevenLabs Music Creation Studio. It's absolutely amazing. You can actually go ahead and search our channel. We have covered how to actually do this, and we can also have it monetized because you own the rights to the music that you produce within ElevenLabs. So it's really fantastic. And then we also have dubbing, which is great. And additional to that, we've got speech to text. We've done that before. And then audio native. Let's have a look inside audio native. Over here, basically, this automatically vocalizes or voices content on a web page using text to speech. All right, so if you open a web page, you can literally just like have it read to you immediately. And then there are a couple other things over here like reductions. So as you can see over here, there's transcripts, captions, translated subtitles, and dubbing. And these are all tools that you can now literally manage in one single platform within ElevenLabs.